guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I make a hair mask using only 2 ingredients. If you would like to see how I do it, please stay tuned. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be using a grater, a strainer, ginger, and of course my coconut oil. But if you like, you can use a blender, but to me I wanted to do it faster, so I used a blender instead of a grater, but you can use either one. If you're using a blender, make sure you cut the ginger really small, like cut them in really small pieces to avoid, getting big pieces left over from the blender. And voila guys, this is how it looked without the coconut oil in it. Now when you're adding the oil in it, it's really up to you to know how much you want to add. But me, I added like 5 tablespoons, well, the little spoon that you see that I'm mixing it with, I added like 5 of those in it. So I went ahead, after mixing everything in together, I put my mixture in an applicator bottle. You can put it wherever, whatever you want to put it. But me, it's easier for me to put it in an applicator bottle to apply it to my scalp before I wash my hair. Now you can leave this mixture in your hair for 2 hours before you wash your hair. I've heard people say they leave it overnight and all that, but me personally, I don't guarantee nobody to do that, especially with ginger and stuff like that. No, it's a no-no for me. Like, no. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below.